top of your paper, everybody has some baking terms. So these are terms that we use in the big professional kitchens. So when you're listening to the TV and you hear the baking shows and they say all these words, this is what these mean. So the first word, can somebody read to me the first word of the definition? Okay, and who is me?
Aiden.
All right, Aiden, what's the first word and the definition?
Cream.
Okay.
The process of beating fat and sugar together to blend them uniformly and to
Incorporate.
air.
Very good. All right, next one. Who wants that? What's your name? Armani. Okay.
Stirring to mix substances by hand or with equipment to combine.
Okay, so we all know what stirring is, right? We've done some stirring, we made Kool-Aid, right? Okay, who wants to take the next one? All right, what's your name?
Gavin,
Gavin, all right.
whipping / whisk, a mixing process that incorporates air into food.
Very good. All right, and on to the next one. It's called folding. So that's a technique that we use to gently mix delicate ingredients together without breaking the structure.